Come with me to try the viral Crookie and other great treats at Retro Roast, a vegan and sustainable coffee shop located in the Thornton Park District in Orlando, Florida. Everything here is plant-based, and the Crookie melts in your mouth and is one of the best sweet treats I've had in a while. Feel good about the planet with your purchase because this shop has no paper or plastic, meaning there's no waste. Drinks are served in reusable jars, which you return after you're finished. The Slut Brownie also tasted great and wasn't overly sweet, which I appreciated because I didn't feel a sugar coma like I would with a non-vegan option. I also tried the Brekkie Burrito, which has a tofu scramble base, and hit the spot. This has definitely been added to my list of favorite Orlando coffee spots. Follow me for more Florida spots.